Hi, welcome to the daily chit chat. And it's very late, and I thought of recording this video just abruptly and thought of discussing what is going on currently. So, today I got some time for my sheet mask, and here it is. So, coming back to the general things going on in life, I have been working and very generally, just like everybody else. What I've realized in the recent times is the fact that COVID and lockdown, despite of giving us heart-wrenching diseases, has done something good. You know why? Please count the reasons. You don't have to look good at all. You can look any type. You can wear any stuff, and you can go outside, right? Because your mask will be there. That will be your identity, right? So now people have started focusing less on the way their physical appearance is, and people have started focusing on how to be more healthy and how to actually survive this entire COVID situation. So this is a good thing. I think earlier we never used to think like that. We never used to pay attention to health, that way. And after COVID, we have learned that yes, fruits are very important. Other things are very important. Medicines are important. Ayurveda is very important. Don't think about the IMA allegations on or the counter allegations of Baba Ramdev on each other. But I definitely and preferably and throughout the last breath will support Ayurveda. Sorry, the dogs are barking. They are usually going to bark, right? Nothing else. So getting back to uh, what I wanted to discuss, yes. So the way people have actually more or less, they are more inclined to take care of their health, and that could be attained by various means. For example, Ayurveda is one such mean where you can actually have a good health benefits, and you can develop a regime. I will share my what I'm taking. Post COVID, I have been taking those ashwagandha, tulsi, and giloy tablets on a regular basis. Sometimes, yeah, I do miss, but it is good for maintaining certain kind of immunity. Start taking fruits. I'm not taking fruits. I know that is a bad thing. I will start in my diet, and apart from that, I have a few health professionals at my home, so not to eat. But yes, we are humans and we actually bound to err. But yes, fruits is very important, as not only a COVID diet, but it's very important post COVID or pre COVID. It's very important to have vitamins timely. Sometimes, if you can get time, try to search online rather than like busting your time on YouTube. Please try to search some online supplements or some alternatives, or probably try different types of teas available in the market. You can order online, a lot of teas. I tried some Kashmiri Kawa some time back. I will try to share with you also the details of the stuff which I've been having off lately. Maybe I'll try to make a vlog out of it, right? So these are the general chit chatty things. I was very concerned, last week when the Baba Ramdev, that poor guy was basically being subjected to scrutiny by the IMA, and then he posted the counter 25 questions to the IMA, for which IMA actually had no answer, but they actually did. What they did was not answering the questions. Definitely, they will never answer the questions, but they counter react and asked him a couple of questions, which you can, like very easily find out by accessing the net. It's all over the internet. It's all over the news. So what I find is Ayurveda is very interesting, as a science also. I hail from a scientific background. Before getting into the patent and intellectual property law, I can understand very well how important is Ayurveda, right? And my sister, being a medicine professional, she understands the importance of Ayurveda. It's a complete holistic science, and you cannot negate the fact that Ayurveda doesn't treat. Yes, it has. Maybe there is no proven pharmacokinetics. I think go and search the word pharmacokinetics. Maybe the pharmacokinetics is not there. Maybe you cannot see how a pill is affecting you, but yes, you can see the therapeutic effects, and it's very evident, right? So most of the modern allopathic sciences always go by pharmacokinetics of drugs. What a drug, when induced into your system, is doing. If it's doing, it should have a pathway, and that's the reason why these people, allopathic physicians, etc., I think they sort of have tussle, or they don't like the Ayurveda, because Ayurveda believe in therapeutic effects rather than going around and researching the pharmacokinetics of various pills and drugs that they produce. There are so many things. There are natural medicine, there are homeopathic medicines, but I have more reliance on Ayurveda, and especially the Patanjali products. They are marvelous. If you try their amla juice, if you try their anu tail, which is you can put in your nasal septum area, so that you can try to be congestion free. They are good products. I have used them. Maybe they are not very fancy, but yes, they do the job. They do the right job of protecting you and giving you the right kind of immunity. And as far as the therapeutic effects are outweighing anything else, I don't mind trying any Ayurveda product. And I'm very happy that Baba